All right, so we'll go ahead and move on to fixing the ends of the axe. It's going to be pretty easy. And you'll be like, oh, that's obvious once you think about it. We're going to go inside here, click on it so we can see what we're doing. We go to face. We'll just select all those faces and press delete. We're going to do the same thing on both ends. I'm sorry. They're remodeling my neighbor's apartment. You click here, hold shift and click through all these across here, like so. And then we will bridge that. So that's underneath edit mesh bridge. It's on my shelf. It should be on your shelf too. It comes on the standard shelf. So then we have these little holes down here. And we have a couple of options for those. We can just fill hole though. So go to object mode and then fill hole. Fill hole is underneath the mesh menu. Fill hole. And those are filled in. At least with triangles, but you can see that's pretty nicely rounded over across the top there. And we'll fix everything, don't worry. So I'm going to bring this in. And I'll bring this in over here. Let me grab all these. I'll bring this down a little bit. Bring this down a little bit. I'm trying to get this to be less of a problem here. Okay, cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an edge loop right down here. So let's grab this, add that edge loop in. Press 1 to turn that off. You can always slide that over if it's not quite centered. It's not going to hurt anything. We'll do our multi-cut tool. You could use your multi-cut tool to add in that edge loop. We can cut that or not. Right now it's a quad. It's a quad. I want them to be quads instead of triangles, and they are. So it's up to you whether or not you want to cut that. Doesn't really matter. You can have a triangle there. You can have two triangles. I think you should put an edge down the middle, just because I think that's going to help your shape overall. And then come down here, we'll do the other end. So let's go into the inside again. Go to face. Delete all those. Go to edge. Click here, shift click. And so on and so forth. Let's go all the way around. We'll bridge again. Bridge. Under the edit mesh menu if you can't find it on your shelf. Go to object mode. Fill hole. Right here. It's on the mesh menu if you don't find it on your shelf. And then we can go into the side view. We'll go down to the bottom. If we can get there. There we go. There it is. A lot of times I'll zoom out and then just zoom back in because it's way faster. I'm going to rotate this. Get that angle better. Pull that in. And there we go. We got that shape. We could... Okay, and then now we're going to go to edge here and we will add in with our insert edge loop tool. And there you go, object mode. And you're good to go. We fixed both ends of that axe. Pretty cool. So there's our fun little axe handle. We're going to move on to the blade in the next video.